Okay, we mashing up this meat here. Mash. Have our one egg, which is worth $1,000. Everything is so fresh, y'all. Cooking with Shay. Cooking with Shay. Hey YouTube, what it do? It's your girl Chatty Shay, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, today is going to be a shopping and cooking vlog, y'all. So I'm back with a cooking vlog. I haven't done like a cooking video in mad long, and somebody requested a cooking video a long time ago, and I never got around to doing it. So y'all, today we are going to do a cooking vlog. So what's on the menu is going to be fried fish, spaghetti, and cornbread, because that is a meal. So I already have, what do I have? I have the man, I missed my turn, but this is the grocery store. I already have the cornbread. I purchased that yesterday. I gotta get everything else, right? Gotta get everything else, y'all. So we are going to Lidl. Lidl is kind of like a grocery store, like Aldi. Aldi made Lidl, but I think Lidl is a lot bigger than Aldi. So I'm going to Lidl because Lidl has better fish than Aldi, and fresh fish, so it's not frozen. So this is why we are going to Lidl, y'all, because Lidl has really, really good product, and everything is so fresh. So I'm pulling into Lidl's right now, and I'm gonna bring y'all along. So don't forget to subscribe, y'all, because baby, this is a cooking vlog. Cooking with Shay. Cooking with Shay. Oh, y'all, and my tongue is blue because I was eating a Jolly Rancher. The blueberry Jolly Rancher is always so freaking good, y'all. So we are pulling in. Okay, we are pulling in, y'all. Alright, so let me grab y'all and let's go inside. Also, y'all, comment down below, because baby girl went back short. Because y'all, this heat out here is crazy. It is hot. It is really, really hot. So let's grab our handy dandy bag, y'all, and let's go inside this store. Come on. So if you never seen Lidl, this is what it looks like. But y'all, somebody got a cart over here, and like Aldi, you gotta pay for the cart. So I'm gonna go grab this because maybe I don't have no change. I don't carry no change. Let me show y'all. Let me see, because you gotta put money in these to get them, right? Oh wait, they took it away. So they took away the money aspect, y'all. Also, I forgot my tripod. So y'all, because I could put y'all on the shopping cart and we could roll, but y'all, I forgot my tripod. So it's very much ghetto, but we are here. And we are going to get these groceries. And I'm going to show y'all like how fresh their produce is, because their stuff is a lot fresher than the grocery store, y'all. And a lot cheaper too. Okay, it's like big deals. Big deals. Oh, should I do some corn? Should I do like some fresh corn? Let me see if they have some already peeled. Y'all, look at their produce. Special ghetto. Look. Everything is so fresh, y'all. It is so... Oh, look at these... Look at these huge... Y'all, and it keeps going. Y'all, they have some fresh cut mangoes over here. Let me show y'all. It's giving very much Thailand vibes, and they playing music, y'all. But look at these mangoes, y'all. Ooh, and they are $3.97. So I think that's pretty decent, y'all. They got a lot of fresh fruit here. Thumbnail. Yeah, I'm trying to get a thumbnail. Don't look at me awkward. Oh yeah, we gotta get dessert. Let's go back on this side over here, because we do have to get dessert. So let's get dessert, because we need dessert with this food, y'all. And my family, we are cake eaters. Like these little like sliced cakes like these. So I think I'm gonna get a cake. Hold on, y'all. Y'all, look at these croissant filled, $2.99. These chocolate croissant filled. Oh, y'all, I purchased these before. These are so good. Let me get, see, y'all, this is not what we here for, but we're gonna grab that. And we're gonna also grab a cake. I think my family don't like banana nut. We will eat the lemon. Let me see if we have any more options. If I have to come back and get the lemon, I'll come back. Y'all, I am a huge dates eater, but I can't eat them no more. Y'all, reusable bags. What is this for? For your fruit. But I used to love these, but because I have diabetes now, can't eat them. Y'all, I wish I had my tripod. Oh, y'all, they got fish right here. Y'all, look, 25%. Y'all, 25% off of the fish. Let me see. What's wrong with this fish, y'all? I usually buy whiting. So let's try to go find some whiting because I don't know about this over here. Let me flip the camera for y'all. Y'all, they got some calamari, sea salt, and pepper right here. What is that, like octopus? We want fresh fish, y'all. Let me show y'all how the fish look over here. This is a big piece of salmon, y'all. But we're looking for whiting. But everything looks so good. Oh wow. Let's look for some whiting. So this is the whiting I'm going to get, y'all. It's frozen, but I don't see any fresh ones today. So I'm going to defrost this with some water and lemon. And it's a lot in here for it. So y'all, I'm also going to pick up some cod because we make saltfish cakes out of those. And they only $9, so let's go ahead and get it while we're in the store because we ate about 60 saltfish cakes yesterday. So yeah, let's eat fish cakes. We ate about 30 or 40 fish cakes yesterday, so we're gonna get this. Oh my God, y'all, look at the sardines. Like, I see eyeballs on them. Oh my God. They have so much stuff in here, y'all, like the regular grocery stores. But we do not need any of this. But I feel like I need to grab some turkey bacon. My family don't like the uncured turkey bacon. We really like the Oscar Myers one. This is uncured too. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna get turkey bacon from here. But y'all, they have a great selection of stuff. Like, look at all the cheeses and sausages and stuff. Like crazy. I'm telling you, you could shop at these stores on a budget and still get your name brand stuff for a cheaper price. So don't knock these stores because they don't have like the brand name. Y'all, it is still great quality stuff. They even have like household stuff in here. So y'all, baby, just come shop here. Okay, y'all, they got the jumbo eggs for $4.99. I mean, this is not what we used to pay before, but it's still better than $10. So this is where the egg prices get a little crazy, y'all. Like, what? So these are like the regular eggs, but if you want like brown eggs or cage-free eggs, which is probably all the same stuff, the prices get a little crazy. You can get one lobster, y'all. One lobster is $10.99. You can make this at home. Look at this seafood boil. Y'all, this is $28.99. And they got this seasoning and everything in it. Look at this. Look, you're gonna get your money's worth. Look at the Red Baron is $4.89. I'm telling you, you could shop at these stores and still get your favorite products, y'all. Oh yeah, I picked up some orange pineapple juice, which is 100% juice. Okay, we do not buy nothing that's not 100% juice. Over here, I've learned my lesson from making past mistakes, so we only buy 100% juice. Also, yeah, I'm looking for some crab legs, so let me look around. Let me be back. So that was the only seafood that I saw, y'all. But I'm over here by the freezers now, and y'all, they playing music, and it feel like it's getting louder and louder. So let's get up out of here real fast. Okay, y'all, this is the damage. I got me some wine. I got 2 packs of fish. Okay, I spent $52. That downy was $10, y'all. Y'all, aren't they bags so stinking cute? The only downer is you have to pay 15 cents per bag. But y'all, the bags are so cute. Okay, y'all. First of all, I bought them bags, and I have their sister bags in my car, right? But y'all, let's get this stuff out the way. And this edge control is still in my car, so we're gonna put this in one of these bags and take it in the house, okay? But look how cute their bags are. So stinking cute, y'all. I bought two. They was 15 cents. And I already have some store bags in here. What's in here? Oh my God, these are clothes and stuff that I was supposed to ship out. Yeah, I was supposed to ship these things out to people and I did not. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all, let's go home. Let's go home and get some cooking. So I'm back in the house. I put the fish in some water. I have some lemon. Can y'all see that lemon juice right there? So I'm going to let this fish soak in some lemon juice for about an hour, hour and a half. But while I do that, I'm going to start on my cornbread. Let me show you the cornbread I have because, baby, we do not use Jiffy, okay? This is what we're using. Okay, what you call this? Okay, crustas. Okay, whoever they are, he or she. Baby, this is crack, okay? So we're using this. So I'm gonna get this started while my fish is soaking in the lemon juice and some salt. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so this cornbread recipe calls for 1 egg, 2/3 cup of milk, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. We don't do no measurements, although we have a measuring cup and we have all of the measuring utensils. We don't ever use them. I don't even know why I own them. However, we have our 1 egg, which is worth $1,000. 1 egg, y'all. We have our 1 egg worth $1,000. My family, we do not drink milk from cows. So we have our plant oat milk, which is gonna go in here, and we have our vegetable oil. So I'm gonna mix all this stuff up in here, and I'm gonna put the batter up in here, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all what that's looking like because this is self-explanatory, right? Okay. Alright, y'all, so the cornbread is in the oven. Can y'all see it? And then I put my ground turkey in a pan right here, y'all, and I'm about to cut up some onions, some red onions, some green peppers, red onion, green pepper, and regular onion. And I'm also watching the tea room. So let me get back to this. So one thing I hate about when people make spaghetti is like they be having like those, like the meat is not all the way broken up. So baby, get you one of these meat smashers. I'm telling you, it's gonna do your meat good. It's gonna do your meat good. So we getting ready to put our onions and peppers in here. I'm gonna show y'all what seasons I'm gonna use, and we go. Okay, all right. Seasoned salt, some slap your mammy, some Miss Dash Italian medley, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. So this is the water that I'm going to put my spaghetti noodles in, and I'm going to put some chicken bouillon in there with butter, not oil. This much butter. I'll put it in there. So when this comes to a boil, I'm going to put my noodles in. Okay, we mashing up this meat here. Mashing it. We are mashing up the meat, y'all. This is why I love this thing, y'all, because you don't have like big chunks of meat in your food, and I love that for us. So we're gonna keep mashing this up until all of the pink is gone. Okay, y'all, so my meat is done. My noodles are boiling with the butter and the chicken bouillon. So y'all, I'm gonna turn my meat off and wait for my noodles to get done, and then I'm gonna come back. Oh yeah, did I tell y'all that we are baking this spaghetti? Yeah, this is baked spaghetti. Also, I'm gonna go change my shirt because it's heating up in the kitchen. Also, y'all, I have my seasoned flour here, y'all. I use seasoned flour. It's by like sea moss, which is kind of like it's just seasoned flour. It's just flour with like onion, garlic, pepper, cayenne. Like it's just an all-purpose seasoned flour. So that is what we're gonna be frying our fish in today, and our fish is still in that lemon. So after I change my shirt, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna scrub that fish down, and then we're gonna get to it. So I added my spaghetti sauce, And I put 2 tablespoons of sugar because if you're not putting sugar in your sauce, you're nasty. Okay, I gave y'all some flash. Okay, so my meat is done. The same seasons that I put into the ground turkey, I just put back into the sauce, y'all. And I'm just gonna let this sit and marinate for a while. My noodles are also done, so I'm going to strain these, y'all. I like my noodles to be al dente. I also put some Italian seasoning here too, y'all. So you might see some parsley flakes in here, but this is al dente, so I'm gonna take this off and drain it. So I drained my spaghetti and I put my tomato sauce on top, so let's mix it. I threw some cheese in there, y'all, and we're gonna mix it. Alright, y'all, so the mac and cheese. The spaghetti is in the oven. I got my oil going for my fish. I got my rack because we want to keep our fish crispy. Cornbread is out the oven. We about to get started on this fish. Alright, y'all. I just went over a speed bump. Y'all, we are back at the store because we didn't have any Parmesan cheese or Texas Pete. So we back at the store, y'all. So I'm pulling into the dollar store because if you know, the dollar store is not really a dollar store. Yeah. And I was eating, y'all. I had already had some spaghetti and I had already had a piece of fish. Baby, it's crack. It is too good. I already have fish and spaghetti. We here at the Dollar Tree. Y'all, let's run in and run out. Let's not make any extra stops. We on a mission. We on a mission and we moving fast. We going straight to the food aisle. Okay. So we are looking for, okay, we got Texas Pete right here. Oh, this one says salted garlic. I never seen that one. And this one say hotter. Let's get both of these. Oh, they got sriracha. Dollar Tree is fancy. Okay, we need Parmesan cheese for spaghetti. And I found the Parmesan cheese. I don't know if this is any good, but we're gonna get both. Okay, we was in and out of Dollar Tree just like that. We got exactly what we came for. Now we're going back home to make plates, well, to make a plate, and I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, y'all, so we back from the store. This is the spaghetti. The cornbread has been cut. The fish is put away. Y'all, so this is the plate. We getting ready to taste those hot sauces. Okay. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend what your girls doing on this channel. Until next time, bye, y'all. What's happening to me?